Pillai.
Mr. Pillai, what makes you come to this 4-day seminar?
I come for betterment of my body, you see. I've been all the time sick, get flu, all these things. So introduced by my friend to come here to get betterment. So after coming here for 3 days exercise, all these things, physically I'm better, breathing better, all the coughs goes off. So I'm very free now, very relaxable. My body is very light now. So I'm very happy coming here.
I heard that last time you were quite skeptical about it.
Yes, very much.
Why was it?
I also don't know now why is that.
Is it because many people claim they can help people, but in the end actually cannot be done?
Yeah, there is a way. There are a lot of people doing this stuff with these things. But at the end, they will remain same. There is no improvements. But here, better.
Here is totally different?
Yes, totally different from other things. I have seen martial art action also, like Tai Chi, all these things. But here, totally different. Make you straight away, within 3 days, you are getting better. So, thank you.
So, are you happy with the result?
Yes, very much happy.
Are you a believer now?
Yes, 100% I can say that.
No more skeptic?
No.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right? Thank you.